Welcome back, and now news from sports. It was a dismal display of football by the men in blue. Defending champs India were held to a 1-all draw in their SAFF Cup opener against Afghanistan in New Delhi. Afghanistan took lead in the 5th minute, but India drew level through Sunil Chhetri in the 10th minute. But thereafter, Afghanistan denied India and made a foray on Indian territory several times. Had it not been for India's keeper Karanjit Singh's last-minute heroics, India would have gone down to the visitors.
Defending champions India are one of the higher-ranked sides in the SAFF Cup, and all expected India to cruise home to a victory. 4 Goans in captain Climax Lawrence, Clifford Miranda, Mahesh Gowli and Samir Naik started in the first 11 under Goan coach Savio Madeira. It was a strong Goan presence in the Indian national side. After defeat against highly ranked Zambia in a friendly, a strong start in the SAFF Cup would have been a perfect morale booster. However, Afghanistan were in the mood to play some delightful football. Balal Arezzo made it 1-0 very early in the match. 5 minutes later, fresh from Glasgow Rangers trial, Sunil Chhetri made it 1-all. Sadly, India failed to better that scoreline thereafter. Sunil Chhetri and co failed to make the most of chances they got. Even India's airborne chances seem to have been off target. Here are a few highlights of the match.
Ball snatched away from Mahesh Gowli and he lets fly Karanjit Singh. Perfectly timed shot, perfectly placed shot to the far corner. There we see Stephen Dias. Crisp, hard and flat. Cross Faizullah who made the mistake. Didn't have good balance. Chhetri. And it was Sanjar Ahmadi with that crisp try. So it's Afghanistan made the last minute attacks instead of expectedly India. Ahmadi lets fly.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Bihar are on the brink of defeat in the Kuch Bihar Under-19 cricket against host Goa at the Bits Pilani ground. With 1 day left, Bihar trailed by 203 runs with half their side back in the pavilion. The slightly disappointing aspect for the third day was Goa captain Darshan Misal missing his century by just 1 run.
Goa's fantastic position in this match is a result of a fine team performance. Amog Desai and Sherwin Vaz slammed 119 runs each, while captain Darshan Misal missed the 3-digit mark by just 1 run. Nevertheless, the batters powered Goa to a massive score of 454 declared. The good work by the bowlers on the opening day meant Goa dismissed Bihar for just 115 runs, and they continued their fine form with the second bite of the cherry as Goa reduced Bihar to 136 for 5 at the end of third day's play. Centurion Amog shone with the ball as well, picking up 3 wickets so far. All-rounder Darshan had picked up 3 wickets in the first innings and could prove lethal on the final day as Goa smelled victory. A reporter from Zuarinagar, Surendra Madkaikar.
And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.